Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are with Luke from Shadow Sports. He does a lot of cleaning products. What we do, we get him to tell us a bit about the products, and then we're going to go and apply it to our van and show you how good his products are. Luke, can you tell us a bit about your range that you've got?
Yeah, so we've been going now for 9 years. Everything is down to our own formulations, our own ingredients. We know exactly what's in everything. We do a lot of customer specifications. We started with range because we wanted to launch a product range that works. We wanted to, rather than going in and having a variety of options that claim different things, we wanted one of each that does what it says on the tin. No frills, but works.
Okay.
The products I'm recommending today is one of our biggest sellers, which is the Hydrocoat. So it's a gloss enhancing wax spray. You apply it to a wet car, 6 to 9 months protection in a bottle, spray on, dwell, leave it wet, rinse off what's left, and then you might have a little bit of water left over to dry. It's been our biggest seller this weekend, and would definitely, hopefully survive the test that you're going to be going on. In regards to the other products, 90% of our product range is all pH neutral, so you're going to be able to use it in any conditions, any weather conditions, and pretty much safe on any surfaces, as we discussed earlier. So yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Fingers
so
crossed.
We're going to clean the van, and then what we do once we clean the van, we're going to be applying the high gloss, and then we'll see how it lasts. Alright guys, so we're now at the van. We have the Shadow Sports shampoo. I've mixed up 45ml with 15 litres of water, which is about the recommended dosage. Let's give the van a wash. Now that we've washed the van, it's time to cover it in the Shadow Gloss Enhanced Wax Spray. This is a hydrophobic coating that goes on the van, and it means that the water will just dissipate away. Let's see how good it is. It's as simple as that to apply. Just spray it on, and then just leave it for 4 to 5 minutes, and then you just rinse it off. So I've tried a number of different types of glass cleaner in the past, but this is pretty good, I must admit. Obviously we'd need to do the inside as well as the outside, but the finish on that is fantastic. Pretty tricky to see, I must admit, with the reflection, but there is definitely a noticeable difference from one side to the other. Let's finish it off and do the inside. There we go, that is the Gloss Enhanced Wax Spray and the glass cleaner used on the van. We haven't actually dried the van off at all, we've just let it air dry, and it seems to be working really well. I can honestly say it looks amazing, and there is a beautiful shine on it. Time will tell how it holds up, but early signs are really good. We are now back from our Arctic trip, and the van is somewhat dirty. If you haven't already seen that, I'll put a little link up here so you can go and check that out. As you've seen for the first part, we've fully cleaned the van off, and we headed off to our trip to the Arctic. Now the plan is just to clean this with just water. No soaps, no detergent, no nothing, just water. Rinse it off, and what should happen is the dirt should fall away based off the coating we've put on it. This is a bit of an extreme test. However, this product is supposed to protect the van against all that sort of grime. Let's see how it stands up. I'll just take you up on the roof so you can see how clean it is, I suppose is the best way to describe it, considering what it's been through and what it was like before we cleaned the van off to go away. No, I accept, it's still a little bit grubby, but I'm surprised at how dirty it isn't, which means the coating's obviously worked, and where we've had wind, rain, snow, it's actually taken the dirt and just carried it off the roof. From here you can see there is a line of grime which has been pulled down the vehicle by the weather as we've been driving along, and that's what we're just going to rinse off. You have to admit that's impressive. We only use water and the noodle to clean the van back off. I'll leave links in the description where you can buy the soap and the coating to go onto your vehicle. Wow, what a shine.